Just by implementing these simple steps to creating TikTok videos the correct way, you will start seeing leads just like this in your emails. You will start actually having subscribers come into your email list as well as getting followers. Just by doing these simple things on your TikToks, on your content that you're creating. In this video, I'm gonna take you into my TikTok. We're gonna be studying and I'm gonna be showing you the in-depth training, what to do, how to do it in order for you to get people to view your actual videos and to potentially go viral on there. Of course, that's what we all want, so we can actually have more people view our videos and those people actually go into our sales funnel, to our email list, into our sales funnel where we create more leads, and of course those leads turn into conversions, which means we actually get more sales, meaning that we make more money, all right? So that is what we're gonna be talking about. We're gonna be going into training. This is gonna be gold, guys, gold, 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 all right, guys? So I'm gonna take you into my thing. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is David Gutierrez, and I talk about affiliate marketing here on this channel. I also talk about different ways to make money online. There's more ways to skin a cat. Also, online businesses and passive income, right, guys? So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and also hit that bell so you guys can get notified when I do put out new videos, new content, so you guys could actually be one of the first ones so you can actually see it, retrieve it, and get on it, all right, guys? So now that the intro's out, once again, TikTok. We're gonna be going into TikTok. I'm gonna take you into my TikTok account and we're gonna be studying how to get people. So a lot of people see all these videos on TikTok, right? How to make money online. It's simple, it's easy, whatever the case is, but there's also a process in order for your viewers or your customers or whatever to see your videos and actually go to your links, go to your funnels, and of course, turn them into leads and into customers, all right, guys? So let's jump in here into my account. So let's see. So this is actually my account up here. So as of right now, what is it? April 3rd, got about 36,000 followers. Let's go into, let's see. So this is still my same account. And you can kind of see that these are actually one of my first videos. So the ones when I first got onto TikTok, you could tell that I've had about 500 views. Steadily, okay, 600, 1,000, and then not until I got into, I think it was like the 20th video is when it actually really hit. So you kind of see 2,000. Yeah, I'm losing hair there. That's the first thing that I see. Okay, 14,000. Okay, and then this is my first viral video that went through. I have 1.7 million views on this video as of today. So I think I made this back in like August. And it's pretty much, as you can kind of see, it talks about Amazon, okay? So first, we're gonna go ahead and watch the video so you could actually see what's it about, how I was able to get on that train where TikTok just threw my videos to pretty much everybody. And of course, more eyeballs on it means that I had more leads means that I had more sales that I was able to convert. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go show the video. I'm not gonna use the audio just because of YouTube and copyright and everything, but I'm gonna show you so you could actually see. It is about a minute long. Let's check it out. All right, so that was actually the video. It was about a minute, okay? So as you kind of saw, I know it was a little hard just because it was quiet or whatever, but as you kind of saw, it had all three components in there, okay? So the first component was, if you guys haven't heard me talk about it, it's gonna be the hook, story, and the offer, okay? Hook is going to be the first phrase, the first statement that you're actually gonna grab so your actual customers or the people who are viewing your videos won't continue to scroll. You want them to stop on your video so that you can watch them, right? The more people that stop and watch them, the longer that they're on there, the more that TikTok's going to be pushing and throwing that video to other people, right? Obviously making it more views and so forth. The first view, so you can kind of see up here, this is gonna be my hook. Amazon has jobs that pay between $16 and $22 an hour by working from home, right? First of all, everybody knows what Amazon is. This is back in August, when the pandemic, when COVID hit, right? So everybody was at work. A lot of people were losing jobs. So of course, people wanted to work at Amazon and they wanted to make money by working at home, okay? Because that's where they can actually get jobs. So that's actually the hook. People wanted to see, you kind of see it's going to be a money video. People wanted to see how or what's it about. So they're interested, right? If there's curiosity, how do you do this, all right? And then as I continue on, then I show them the story, meaning it's going to be the middle section. I'm going to show them how they could actually apply for it, where they can go, what to do in this, what I'm kind of doing right here, right? Amazon.com/jobs, I think that's what it was. You do these steps, you check them out, and then you look at these locations, you look at these jobs that are available, and of course, if you qualify and you get an interview and you get accepted, you'll start working from home with Amazon, right? So I pretty much show everything. That's going to be my story. So the hook was to grab their attention so they can stop. The story is going to be what I'm actually trying to say. And now at the end, this is going to be the offer, right? You want to actually tell your customers where to go, okay? So right here, I was telling them, if you don't like Amazon, if you don't like this type of job, if you want to see how I learn how to make money online or how I'm making an income, if you want to see how there's other ways to make money online, you want to learn how I make money online, click on the link in my bio and learn how. That's going to be the offer, okay? And of course, people, what they're going to do is if they want more information, they want to see more, they're going to go to my bio, they're going to click on my link, and that's actually going to introduce them into my sales funnel, okay? That's where I'm going to be able to catch them into in my opt-in. I'm going to be able to grab their email in exchange for a video, information, whatever the case is, what you're offering, and of course, send them through the whole process. And that is actually what TikTok is pretty much all about, okay? The hook, story, and the offer, okay? So that is actually one of them, and of course that was 1.7 million views. Now this is obviously not affiliate marketing, right? This is just different ways to make money online, okay? Now as we go through there, you'll see that there are more affiliate marketing videos, okay, into it. Now keep in mind, when you're actually making these videos, a lot of people really don't know what affiliate marketing is. They're going to be seeing this stuff, but they don't really understand what it is. So I actually like to give them a general overview, right? How do you make money online? That's the general thing, right? When you start niching down, subbing down, there's so many ways to make money online. You can do drop shipping, stocks, you can do Etsy, print on demand, affiliate marketing, right? And then you start beginning to introduce some affiliate marketing. So that's another subject. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But you kind of see that I was in the make money online, all right? And then of course, if they want to make more money, you want to throw them down. Now, the ones in front of them, work at Apple, work for Apple from home. Okay, that only got like 6,000 views. Talked about the 15-day challenge, whatever the case is, of course. But of course, you're gonna have all these ups and downs, okay? But as you can kind of see on this one video, that is what you want to do, okay? You want to introduce them, the hook. You got to get them curious, because you want them to stay on your videos, okay? The story, your story, whatever you're trying to tell them, whether you're showing them how to make money online, where to go, if you want to talk about affiliate marketing, whatever the case is, and then at the end, you're going to fetch them an offer. Where do you want them to go? A lot of people do know where to go, but still, you still have to tell them, hey, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, please go to my link if you want to learn more, right? Go over here, do this, put in your email if you want some more information, and they will do that. Okay, so this is going to be another video, okay guys? So I made this back in March, early of March, so it's been about a month-ish now. So this is going to be another one. So now that we actually talked about the hook story offer, look at this, see if you can actually catch it in this video, okay? So once again, I'm going to go ahead and play it for you guys. It's going to be quiet just because I don't want the song to come on or YouTube to flag it for any the copyright, whatever. But check it out, and then we'll go ahead and talk about it. All right, cool. So this obviously was a little bit shorter than the other one. This is about 15 seconds, but if you can kind of pick it up. So the first phrase right here, the first sentence, imagine how an extra $3,000 a month would change your life, okay? That's gonna be the hook, right? Just imagine what $3,000 extra would do for you every month, all right? Whether if you wanted to whatever your situation is. Pay off bills, put your kids into college, buy that dream house, car, retire, whatever the case is, right? So that's going to be the hook. You just hook them on there. So now they're curious. They want to see how they can do this and continue on, right? So when you continue on to this video, I start putting in some more phases. So do you have 1 to 2 hours that you can actually spare per day, right? We all have 1 to 2 hours every day that we can spare, right? As long as we actually know how to budget our time, right? Manage our time. Okay. Do you want to pay off debt, go on that vacation, or just retire? Okay, just like I was saying, that extra $3,000, what can you do with that? You can pay off extra debt, right? We can go to vacation, retire, whatever your situation is, right? That is still my story. And then I go on and say, well, then you need to make money while you sleep. Okay, how do you do that? The side hustle I'm doing can make that possible, and I could show you how. That is going to be the offer. Okay, I can show you how, and you can kind of see an arrow pointing, and of course it's going to be pointing to my bio, to my link, so you guys could go in it, click on it, and then of course go through my sales funnel, so I could show you how you can actually start making an extra $3,000 a month. So simple as that. These 31 minutes second TikTok videos can actually put a lot of information out there and actually grow your business tremendously. Okay, that is what TikTok is. So TikTok right now is going to be, they want you to go viral. So of course, the more people that go viral, the more viewers and more people that go and stay onto their app, and of course that's ultimately what they want you to do, to stay on their software for as long as possible. Okay, so that is how you actually play the TikTok, not the game, but that's how you actually post videos on TikTok for you to get more views, okay? Because ultimately we want more views, which means more leads. More leads means to more conversions. More conversions means to more sales, which means it's more money for you, right? And then of course that's going to be continue on. That's how the world spins round and round and continues on to the next person. So that is how we do TikTok, okay? And of course, all the other little things also play an effect, right? The titles, the songs, your hashtags, right? Who are you sending them out to? All that stuff actually does come into play. But this is going to be the main, I guess you could say, like meat and potatoes, right? How you actually create your content. I've seen a lot of people that post content out there that is all over the place. Okay, now you want to actually grab a specific crowd. Okay, you want to grab a specific crowd that wants an extra $3,000 and wants to do something with their life, wants to actually start, right? That's what you want, so you can actually send them through your sales funnel. Okay, now if you guys don't know what I'm talking about as far as a sales funnel, simple process, and let's go down to my diagram down here, pulling it up. And this sales funnel is what we as affiliate marketers, we create. This is not a website. This is a sales funnel that we create to, for one, capture emails, introduce them a little bit about our sales, give them that free offer that you have, a free ebook, video, whatever the case is, okay? And then of course, send them off to the offer. So as you can see on the left-hand side, TikTok, as we were talking about, this is where you're going to grab all your traffic that we were just talking about, right? This is where you're going to grab all your traffic, and then you're going to send them to, I like to send them to my Facebook group or to my YouTube channel, okay? Because again, TikTok is only 15 seconds. If I want to explain a little bit more in depth, I want to send them to my YouTube so they could actually watch the full video. And then from here, or I can send them straight into my opt-in page, right? How do you make money? Let's talk about that last one. You want to make an extra $3,000? Go to my link in the bio so you can learn. They go to my link, they go into my opt-in page, where here's where I grab their actual email. Once I grab their email, I'll send them over to the thank you page, which is a short video where I explain to them what it is, what to do, and I'm going to introduce them the actual offer, right? Or what I'm promoting, which is going to be the company, okay? And then from here, of course, if they buy, we make a commission. If they don't, we have their email, and we can actually email them information, webinars, training, so they can understand a little bit more, and they will make the decision. So this is going to be a sales funnel. But pretty much this is what TikTok is, okay? This is gold because a lot of people don't understand exactly what to post, what the content is, okay? And you can kind of see that once you get on TikTok, everybody's pretty much doing the same thing as everybody else, okay? It's like a copycat, okay? You see a video that goes viral, and of course you're gonna put a little mix into yours, and that way yours could actually have the potential to go through. Now, we don't want to be guessing on this, okay? We know what works and what doesn't. Affiliate marketers, we actually promote stuff that actually works. You're not going to see us promoting stuff that doesn't, because for one, that's going to be wasting our time, and for two, we know we're not going to make any money off that, okay? So as you can kind of see right here, I'm in the make money online niche, right? Hey, you want to learn how to make an extra $3,000 online? You want to see how I make money online? Go to my link so you could understand, okay? And that's through Legendary Marketer, right? That's what I promote. Now, if you want to get started on how to make money online, there'll be a link down in the description, okay? You'll go through that same process so you could understand what a legendary is, what Legendary Marketer is, what they offer, what it is, and then of course ultimately at the end, you decide if you want to continue on and start making money online, or if you don't, right? It's totally up to you. So once again, this is gold, okay? I don't know how many times I said gold, but maybe I'm gonna just say 6 times, okay? But you kind of see how this works, okay? You kind of see how TikTok works. Go to my profile, go to other people's profile that you follow, see how many views, what goes viral, mimic them, put a little taste, put a little spin on you, so you can make it your own. And of course, you're gonna start getting eyeballs, okay? Now, I'm not gonna say that the first one's gonna go viral, the second one, but if you continue to put the process, continue to put the work in, it will happen, okay? It will happen. Go through my funnel, right? If you don't know what my funnel is, I'll even give you a copy, or you can clone one of my funnels. It'll be the funnel will be down in the description there, that you could actually copy it, okay? It's gonna have the emails, everything. All you gotta do is put your name, your links, all that stuff, all right? So you got the traffic, you know what to put on there, you know how to make content. I'm gonna give you the funnel so you can clone it, so you can make it for yourself, right? So you have all that. Now all you have to do is just get the affiliate offer, which if you want to go through make money online would be Legendary Marketer, right? All you have to do is just sign up. The link is down in the description. You'll sign up, you'll go through the program, and then you'll be able to have it and you're all set. Bada beam, bada boom. So if you guys have any other questions, if you didn't understand something, if something was let me know down in the comments. Let me know also if you have subscribed. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit that bell, as I was saying earlier. And also let me know down in the comments that I've subscribed. I'm gonna get with you guys. I'm gonna send you a personal message so we can actually start getting onto this. If you are really interested on starting to make money online so you can change your future, whether paying off debt, putting your kids to college, retirement, buying that dream house, whatever the case is, go to that first link in the description. It's gonna be right down there. And of course, as I was saying, as you kind of saw the whole training, the whole process, you're gonna go to the process so you could learn, understand it, and also one day you will also be doing that as well, all right? So let's go ahead and get it, guys. Put me a comment down in the description if you guys didn't get anything, whatever the case is, all right? This is once again gold. I'm gonna give this to you guys. Let's get it. I'll see you guys on the next one.